Most people today have one common complaint. My brain doesn't stop. And I used to feel the same. Then I came across something extremely simple. It's called Bhramari Pranayama, also known as the humming bee breath. So in this video, I will explain what Bhramari Pranayama actually is, what happens inside your brain when you do it, why science is now paying attention to this ancient practice, and how you can use it daily for calmness, clarity, and focus. Let's start with the basics. What is Bhramari? Bhramari Pranayam is also known as humming bee breath or bumblebee breath. During exhalation, you make a gentle humming sound like a bee. This is not loud chanting, this is not singing. It's just a steady, soft, continuous hum sound. So, few things we need to keep in our mind before starting this. First, your spine should always be straight. Second, inhalation through your nose. Third, long, slow exhalation with humming. Fourth, sound should remain consistent from start till end. And last, your humming sound should not too loud nor too soft. Think of the sound at the end of the om, right? We do om in that way. One thing we need to remember here that this is not just a breathing technique. It's actually a nervous system and brain activation practice. Studied using EEG brainwave measurements shows that during Bhramari, alpha waves increases which are linked to calmness, beta waves increases which are linked to focus and attention. So, the brain enters a state that is calm but alert. And this explains why many people, including me, felt peaceful but not sleepy. Some EEG studies have even observed high frequency gamma activity during humming, which is associated with learning, memory, and higher cognitive processing. This is one of the reasons researchers are exploring Bhramari in the context of attention problem, overthinking, executive function. I will link a few of these research papers in the description if you want to read more. So the question is, if this practice existed for thousands of years, why is science talking about it now? Because modern life has changed our nervous system. We are constantly stimulated, constantly alert, constantly reacting, and our brain is stuck in that fight or flight mode. This is where Brahmari becomes very powerful. The humming sound gently stimulates the vagus nerve, responsible for calming the body. When the vagus nerve is activated, stress response reduces, heart rate settles, emotional reactivity drops. That is why people with anxiety, restlessness, sleep issues often feel immediate relief. Clinical studies show that regular Brahmari practice improves concentration, response inhibition, attention control. These are functions linked to our prefrontal cortex, decision making, reduced impulsivity. That's why it's being discussed in the context of ADHD, overthinking, and mental restlessness. Now, let me share one fascinating fact which I got to know a few days ago, that when we hum, even gently, our nasal passages release much more nitric oxide. And research shows that it up to 10 to 15 times more than normal breathing. And I think this explains the mental clarity, reduced brain fog, that refreshed feeling after just a few minutes of doing the Bhramari Pranayam. Okay, now let me share my personal experience. All right. So earlier, when I woke up in the morning, my mind never really stopped, like literally never stopped. It felt like one thought was racing into another and another. I never fully concentrate on anything. Let me be very honest here. And even small decisions felt confusing. For example, if I went to a restaurant, I couldn't decide what to order without overthink, and I keep changing the things I ordered. This was just a simple everyday example, but it shows how my mind used to be constantly clutter. And after practicing this Brahmari for last 6 to 7 months, I have noticed over time amazing things. My thoughts become more calm and focused. I can meditate even my eyes closed without my mind racing. Earlier, I used to think, what is the meaning of meditation? Procrastination has reduced drastically. My mind doesn't feel less noisy. It feels completely quiet right now, actually. So, of course, Brahmari isn't the only practice I do, but today I really want to highlight the power of this one simple technique. What I have understood that in a world that moves so fast, having a clearer mind is crucial. When your mind is clear, your decision making power improves. You feel less irritated. You respond to situations calmly instead of reacting impulsively. But for now, this is the power of Brahmari. Just a couple of minutes each morning can really transform your mental clarity and focus. Why should you consider? If your mind doesn't slow down, if you feel mentally exhausted, you struggle with focus, or you just want a simple daily reset, I do this in the morning for better clarity and focus, and you can do at night as well for calmness and better sleep. And remember that important thing, you don't need to believe me, just try it on your own. All right, so if this resonated with you, like this video and subscribe for more experience based practices. And if you are curious, check the research paper linked in the description below. Now, tell me in the comments that have you ever tried Brahmari, or have you ever heard about it? Will you start practicing it and give yourself at least 2 minutes a day? Till then, bye bye, stay happy, be kind to yourself.